What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Miss Vegan's Kitchen. Today we're going to be making this vegan Caesar salad. I used to depend on the store-bought Caesar salad dressings, but not anymore. This is my absolute go-to favorite. Let's get started. First up, add 1/2 cup of plain hummus, then 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of capers, roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, about a teaspoon of maple syrup, a pinch of salt, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, and lastly 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we want to go ahead and blend this up in either a food processor or your blender until it's nice and creamy. Or if you don't feel like using either of those, you can roughly chop the capers and then add all the ingredients to a bowl and whisk together until creamy. Once our dressing has been mixed well and it's nice and creamy, we can go ahead and give it a taste test and add any salt if needed. Now, if you're in a hurry, you can go ahead and use the dressing now, but I like to place it in the refrigerator for at least an hour to allow it to marinate and get cold. Now, once we've done that, it's time to dolly up our vegan Caesar salad. Now we're going to take our dressing and drizzle it on roughly 4 to 5 cups of chopped romaine. This should be enough salad for 4 people. Once our romaine is fully loaded with our Caesar salad dressing, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle it with a little bit of vegan Parmesan. I love the Follow Your Heart Parmesan, so that's what we're using here. And now to add some crunch, we'll add in some croutons. You can make your own or buy them store-bought. And lastly, I like to garnish it with a fresh lemon wedge. And there you have this easy vegan Caesar salad. It's my absolute favorite. Hope you enjoy it too. I'll go ahead and leave the full recipe in the description below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe for more fun stuff coming soon. Thanks for watching. See ya!